Sam. Hello. Are you ready?
Day.
Okay, how are you today?
Happy.
You're happy. Okay, give teacher Nick a high five before we start. High five. Okay, what is it?
Apple.
Very good. What is it? Oh,
Orange.
orange. What is it?
Green.
Cherry. What is it?
Banana.
Mango. How about this one?
Apple.
Pineapple.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Maple.
Pear.
Lemon.
Watermelon. How about this one, Sam?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. Very good.
Yellow.
Melon. And how about this one? Grape.
Pig.
Grape. Okay, now, is this a banana? No. Say no. Is this a cherry? Is this an apple?
Pig.
Yes. Is this a cherry? Is this an orange? Yeah. Say yes. Do you like oranges? Sam, do you like oranges? Yes. Say yes. Okay, now, is this a banana? No. Is this a cherry? Yes. Do you like cherries? Do you like cherries, Sam? Yes. Okay, what color is the cherry? It's red.
Pig.
Red. Okay, very good, Sam. Now look here. Here are the fruits. Okay, can you give teacher Nick the banana? Where's the banana? Banana. Very good. How about the apple? How about the orange? Orange. How about the kiwi? How about the pear? Pear. No, 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 no. Pear. No, 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 no. This is the pear. How the pineapple? Pineapple. Very good. How the mango? Mango. Very good. How about the strawberry? Strawberry. Very good. How about the grape? How about the banana? Banana. How about the watermelon? And how about the apple? Ah, how about the melon? Very good. What is it?
Yellow.
Melon. Okay, before we say goodbye, let's say apple, apple. 1, 2, 3, go.
Apple. Apple. Orange. Orange. Banana.
Banana.
Kiwi.
Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi.
Banana.
Pineapple. Pineapple. Very good, Sam. You did a good job. Teacher Nick gives you a sticker. Okay, goodbye, Sam. High five. Very